Hello YouTube, today we're not going to do an airsoft review, it's going to be a gun review, but 22 long rifle. This is a Remington model 597, nice camo paint job on there. Yeah, semi-automatic, so you don't got bolt action, no it's not that. But you got your 10 round magazine there, we got some Winchester hollow points in there. So we have a Simmons 39x50 scope with 9x zoom. You can zero it in like all scopes, obviously. It does have iron sights, sling mounts right there and there. I have a nice rhino skin case for it, Uncle Mike's. And so, not a lot to it. It's just a standard 22 long rifle. Nice camo paint job. Well, not really paint job, it's just a finish. And your scope. Got iron sights on there. Here and here. 10 rounds. Rapid fire. Safety. So that's all for today. Comment, rate, and subscribe. I'd really like that 5 stars. Bye.